So right now we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces away from finishing the track. Believe it or not. So this side seems the easiest. So we'll leave that be. This side's not actually connected here, but I want to do that later. So it looks like we've got, we're short 2 tracks over here. So if we put this one here, then we're short 2 tracks over here, looks like. Now the question is, can I put them together? I mean, we could go 1 track there and 1 track here. That's also a possibility. I don't like that idea though. I don't know, it depends how well they fit. So let's see what we can do. I mean, if they fit snugly, like that, and that fits snugly in there, kind of like that. Ooh. We could glue them after the fact, right? Question is getting this guy in without disrupting everything. So let's put him in the track here first. Oh, that's the problem. We got these teeth here. Yeah, the teeth are in the way. So we're going to do a little bit more microsurgery. So I just took the top of the teeth off. Oh, it's still there. I was like, I know I got one more piece. Yeah, see, that one doesn't even want to connect. So I think what I'm going to need to do... Oh, wait a minute. What if we did 2 on this side and 1 over there? Is that going to work? That would be better, right? So let's see if we can snugly fit 2 on this side and 1 over there. So we can snugly fit 2 on this side. That's not very snug. Yeah, that's too damn loose. Yo, bro, I want you to be snug. God bless America. Man. All right then. Now the problem I have with this is it's got to not be, it's got to go up in the air and not go around the wheel anymore. How do we do that? How do we make it? We have to put something underneath it to space it. What do you think? I think it's possible. I don't know. Maybe it's silly. So that takes care of 1 there. I said it's better to even put this right to that. So that means we still need 1 on this side. That will then mount to the one on that side. You must be patient. And this side we said we're at 1 track. So it goes in snug here. Like that. Oh, look at that. Do we have a track? I'm not even sure what the hell's connecting to what. It's fitting so nicely. Put the wheel back here. Well, I think what I'll do first is we'll get this top connected, and then we'll turn it over and connect that bottom piece. In theory, this will connect to that. Thigh bone connects to the leg bone connects to the thigh bone, or something like that. Why don't you want to connect? Yep, oh, that's perfect. That's exactly what we needed. Needed to move that tooth a little bit. Oh, this guy. Come on, baby. Don't be a stinker. Okay, well, you do want to be a stinker, don't you? It's coming loose from the wheel. Wow. Okay, what if we go like this? So close. I don't know what else to do. It's all coming apart. It's like it's all just a little short. Long, short. Not fitting the way it should. How the hell can you shorten the tracks to do that then? You can't really. Can't move the wheel. Man, that won't go in there anymore. Only thing else I can think of is I have to remove some of these three pieces here. Maybe that'll give me the wiggle room I need. I don't know if it will or not though. But that seems to be the best place to remove it from. This track here, it needs these pieces need to connect together. I really don't like doing that. But if that's what it's going to take. Looks like I may have to take out these two then. like the way this is. Everything's plastic. Is there anything not made out of plastic here? Come back to that later.